Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how much the market cap, total market cap is going to be for this cycle and how much higher we can go and how that will work in USDT dominance. In my previous videos, I explained the relationship between USDT dominance and Bitcoin's movement and actually altcoins too. In 2021, when we started dropping for the last time, before starting the bear market, you guys see that how much we went up for USDT, and this is the exact movement for BTC from our all-time high in the last bull market, right? In these two slides, I actually made two slides for you guys to explain in a very simple language that in 2021, for example, this much movement for USDT going down to the level that I'm going to explain in a moment, the level that we have never broken below, down to this level, if we dropped only 2.5% and the market cap was $1 trillion, in 2024/2025 bull market, we can have more money, we can have triple of what we had in the last bull market, but it's still the same percentage. Okay, we're gonna go over that. That's why I am telling you guys that there is a good chance that for USDT in the last bull market from 2021, let's just July, just consider July. If we look at July was around here, right? So July, we started going higher for BTC, so we started dropping for USDT, right? And then we went back up for USDT, and you guys can see that we had a little bit of correction, right? So we went up, USDT went down, we went down for BTC, USDT went up, and then we continued dropping for USDT, and BTC kept going up to its all-time high, and then we started the bear market. Okay, so considering how many percentage we went from here to this point, it will be almost, that is almost 3%. Okay, you guys can see that 3.09%, right? So, and if you want to have the same consideration for this bull market, which right now we are around here, I'm going to get rid of some of these lines to make it easier for you guys to see the difference. So you guys see that we are around here, and let's just say worst case scenario, we're going to go to 7%. We're going to crash a little bit more for the last shakeout. Okay, I hope that's not going to happen, but it is still a possibility to shake the weak hands and start going higher. Okay, but as I said, there's no guarantee for anything in crypto. We're just having some analysis and we are giving some scenarios. We have been killing all the scenarios that we have been talking about in this channel, and thank you guys so much for your support. We are almost hitting 3,000 subscribers, only 27 more. Okay, and I suggest you guys, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and watch these last two videos, which I've explained a lot of things probably no one has explained to you on YouTube. So you guys can learn a lot from the eight years of experience that I've had in crypto and almost 2 years in the stock market. I'm just going to average it in 10 years, okay? So, and if we consider that we're going to go have our last drop, and let's just consider from like 7%, okay? If we start going down to this white line, and I'm just going to give it up to mid-2025, June, July-ish. Once we're going to hit this line, we're going to start our bear market, okay? That's going to be 2.38% drop down to this level, almost 2.4%, okay? But you're going to say like, okay, this was even more percentage, it was 3%, but this is 2.4%. But you guys see that although we are having a lot of USDT printing and this line keeps going up, it has a slope and it keeps growing, this market keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, so the percentage any money comes in and out in USDT, it still adds to the percentage, but the market cap keeps getting bigger. That's why I made this PowerPoint for you guys, just to explain a very simple language that I'm just showing you guys this coming for, let's say if this is USDT dominance, if we top out around here and it start going down to toward that white line that we have never broken below, we're going to touch this level. And in 2021, let's just say that was only $1 trillion, okay? $1 trillion. Any money that people started getting into FOMOing, so they converted it into altcoins, then back to USDT, they added to the percentage. That's why I'm giving it, for example, 1 trillion as an example, okay? But in 2024, we can still have the same percentage or even less, but with bigger market cap because we are grown in market cap. That's why you guys see that we have Bitcoin around this price right now and a lot of new altcoins, and we are in trillions of dollars, almost $2.13 trillion. And I'm going to explain there's a chance that we're going to keep going down. This is something that I've been showing you guys in Telegram group, the free Telegram group. If you have joined, you guys can see that I explained around this closed candle, I was expecting it's going to go up to that level and then start going lower. Actually, around this area, when we had this green candle, I was thinking maximum we're going to go up to that level, go down, or just go straight down. You guys see that the first scenario worked. I gave two scenarios, right? Now, I'm going to explain how we got that exact support, where I explain it again in Telegram group. Around this closed candle, we went down to it and it started going higher, and we can look at USDT dominance later. I'm just going to explain more in here. So let's just imagine that for USDT dominance, we're going to go up to 7% and start going lower. I'm not sure how fast we can go, but there's a good chance that we're going to go until mid 2025 at least, right? Or like April or May, hopefully. Then once we touch this level, guys, I am out. I keep repeating to the new followers, new subscribers, this is what I'm looking at. We have never broken this line below, okay? In none of the FOMOs that we had, no matter how much the FOMO is, we have always failed to break below this line, okay? That's why I'm not sure in these levels, anything can happen. We can start actually topping out for USDT. I explained in the previous video. We can start going down, zigzag down to this level. We are very close to start a FOMO for altcoins. Altcoins are bottoming. You guys see that although Bitcoin was dropping, altcoins were staying strong. Okay. That's why I showed you guys BTC dominance, that we are very close to top around 60 to 65%, where we had this sharp drop when we actually had a lot of FOMO for altcoins. So BTC started dropping heavily because a lot of the USDT was pouring into altcoins, okay? So BTC was just going sideways mostly, and altcoins started rallying. So you guys see that how beautiful the relationships are between USDT dominance, Bitcoin dominance, total market cap, and everything else that I have been showing you and explaining to you guys that with proof that what happened in the previous bull market, okay? So anybody who ignores this, guys, I'm not going to tell you that you deserve to lose your money. I'm not going to say that because I do not want any of you guys to lose a penny, okay? If you guys come back after this bull run and you're rich, that I will be proud that I could help you guys, okay? I'm truthfully saying that, okay? So I really want you guys to succeed, but you really need to pay attention to what has happened, okay? None of these are financial advice. Do your own research, but this is the proof we have been showing you in this channel. Once and hopefully when we get close to the all-time high, even if we break above this line that we have been failing, I'm going to actually put this line a little bit higher just to make sure that we are breaking above. I'm just going to give it a scenario that we need to break above $69,000, $69,000. Once we get to that area, guys, we do not even need to go and break to the new all-time high. This will show a lot of people, Bitcoin and crypto is going to get on the news. Everybody is going to talk about it, and the FOMO is going to start. Okay, that's why we have been buying with my members a lot of altcoins, over 70 coins. We're going to get to 100 coins actually, because I am seeing that we are very close to bottoming for Bitcoin. So obviously, a lot of altcoins are staying strong right now. So if you guys are interested to join the team, we are 31 people now. If you guys want to join the team, the links are on my profile and also in the description and the comment section. So I am still giving it a chance. In total market cap, guys, I just looked at it and I saw that there is a little bit difference between total market cap that looks very similar to Bitcoin chart, but for weekly chart, guys, you guys can see that for total market cap, we have not quite touched this wick of this week that we are in to this body. But if we look at BTC, and I'm going to go to weekly, you guys can clearly see the difference. I'm going to zoom in. You guys see that we have already actually broken below a little bit and it started going higher. Okay, so I'm not sure how much we can trust this total, because we have everything in crypto, altcoin and Bitcoin, but you guys see how similar it looks to Bitcoin chart. Okay, so we can still go back down to get a little bit support for total market cap. It can be some of the altcoins are going to drop heavily, or just Bitcoin is going to drop and bring back down a lot of altcoins with it. Okay, but so far I cannot ignore this, that this looks very bullish, but we've got exactly to the point, this close candles that is started dropping again. Okay, but if you guys remember, I had these two lines as our rising wedge, which we broke below. It was a bearish scenario for Bitcoin, which happened. We started going down, got support around this level, and it started going back into within these two lines, right? So there is still a good chance, guys, to go a little bit higher, but I'm going to explain in detail how it makes sense with the USDT. So USDT, as I said, there's a good chance that we're going to get a triple top, but we can also go a little bit lower for USDT, get support from lower levels, and start going for another higher high up to the top of this range. I'm going to explain in 4-hour chart with more details how I am trying to explain this to you. So you guys see that we had rally, base, rally. Okay, a similar movement we had for BTC in daily chart. Okay, so if you guys were in this channel when I called this bottom in $49,000, I was showing you guys this pattern, which it is very similar. This is the daily chart, and I'm going to show you guys in BTC, and this is the USDT chart in 4-hour chart. Okay, you guys can see how similar they are looking. Just this pattern right here. We had rally, base, rally, and we had this red one, which USDT can, if it keeps getting bullish, if we break below this level, guys, I am going to put this back on here. And if you guys remember, this green candle is a very good support, and also this red one. So we might not even go that low, but there's still a chance that we go back down, guys, and this level is going to be very strong for USDT. So in 4-hour chart, we can go back down here, which that would bring back up BTC, maybe even up to this level again, almost to $68,000. I'm not sure how exactly that will work, because right now we are having a lot of altcoins rallying. So USDT, part of it might just pump it to altcoins instead of Bitcoin. So that's really hard to guess, that we do not know how much of this portion of the USDT is going to go to BTC. If it goes all to BTC, we might just hit $68,000 easily. Okay, or even at least 67, 66, $67,000. But we know that once BTC gets bullish, a lot of altcoins start getting like going up and pumping. So that's why I am imagining that part of this, even if it gets bullish for BTC and USDT goes down to this level, BTC can go back up to almost $65, $66,000 at least, okay? But we need to see if we're gonna break below this level. So I'm going to copy and paste this, put it up here just to have these two levels to watch, okay? So you guys see, since I exactly showed you guys that we can stop around here, and I showed you in 4-hour chart how we got exactly stopped in this level. So we need to see how it's gonna, if it's gonna go back down or we're gonna go higher. And if it goes higher, we're gonna go back down to this level, and this level is a very hard resistance. The same way we had this rally, this red one, got a support, went higher, and we got stopped exactly around that level. I am expecting the same thing happens for USDT. Around this red candle, we can go back down to this red candle and start going higher. So again, we are at the point that we might have another big drop or we might not, okay? That's why, because we have a lot of resistance, that's why I'm leaving these circles where I have been calling the bottom for BTC every time, and we go down for USDT, we pump for Bitcoin, but there's still another chance that we go higher and then start dumping, okay? So, but we can still, but in general, we know that rising wedge is a bullish pattern. We dropped, we've been in this pattern, and we can drop below any time, okay? We can go straight down here, hopefully, or have another shakeout and then start going lower. But it's still, guys, we need to not worry about this, because worst case scenario, we're gonna go maybe to 7%, where I had explained that we can go up to this level where we had this drop starting for USDT. So we can go back up to here, like go a little bit down and then go higher and then start going towards this white line, and then I am out. Please, please, you're gonna get fooled again if you listen to those YouTubers. Once we're gonna break above certain level for BTC and altcoins are gonna start rallying, you're gonna see a lot of YouTubers are gonna call for $300,000 BTC, $400,000 BTC. Please, please be logical, okay? This line has never been broken. If we break below, I have already told you guys, you're gonna see the best and craziest FOMO in the history, okay? That's why I need you guys to still follow what I am explaining in here without being biased. We are in the same team. We need to stay together. I need you guys to smash the like button right now. Share this video with you guys. A couple of you guys have been telling me that you guys have been sharing my video. I really appreciate you guys. That means a lot to me. And recently, YouTube has started picking up my videos. Looks like that's finally YouTube started recognizing the good video on YouTube. So for the last 2 videos, we are getting more views, which I really like. And I think we need to get over 10,000 views for each video at least, because I am giving you data. I am giving you information that you guys need to know for this cycle, for 8 years of experience, okay? So thank you guys for your support. Please like the video right now and subscribe if you are new. All my links are in here. I will see you in the next video. Peace.